Okay, this week we're going to be looking at the energy stored in a compressed spring. All right, and the spring is actually in the car. You can actually see it underneath here. The way you compress the spring is you push the plunger in, and then while it's pushed in, you press the little black tab here. It'll click, and then you can release it, and it's locked. All right, to release the spring, you press the black button on top, and the spring will release. So again, plunger in, press the black tab, and you're ready to go. I'm going to place this car up against an end stop, which is on the end of the track, which you can't see. All right, and then I'm going to press the button. It's going to push off the end stop and accelerate forward and have a final speed along the track. Okay, I'm going to use my motion sensor set to velocity to get that final speed. All right, so I'll push the plunger in, press lock in like this, and I think the lab calls for the empty car with no mass. So that's what this is, and then you'll do it again with 2 masses, and then the final data point is with all 4 masses like that. So there's 4 masses for the final data point. All right, so I'll do it with all 4 since I'm set. So back against the end stop, my velocity versus time graph is ready. I press play, I press the button, and I hit stop, and you can see here that what I'm looking for is this speed. This is the speed after I press the button. So I go down here, that's my velocity. In this case, it was 0.597, call it 0.6 meters per second. I have the mass of the car, right? I'll use the balance to get that. So now I can measure the kinetic energy. Finally, you're going to be asked to back calculate the spring constant of this spring. And you can do that considering the kinetic energy of the car. Okay? Good luck.